Hey guys, welcome back again. So today's video is a product review video. तो आज के वीडियो में मैं रिव्यू करने वाली हूँ प्रगति सिस्टम्स का मैग्नेटिक वाइट बोर्ड. I brought this product in this year only in January first week and have been using this product since last 2 months. So I think I'm pretty eligible to review this product. So let's start with the unboxing first. So I have ordered this product from Amazon and the packaging of the product was also really good. We got this paper inside where it is written that if you find any problem with the whiteboard, then you can directly inform Pragati Systems. Unfortunately, we found few dents in the back section, but the dents were not visible from the front, so we decided to keep this product with us. As initially I did not find any place, so I kept it on the top of my iron board. I could not stop myself to use it just after opening the box. And guys, I must say the writing experience on this board is really amazing. So I had placed this whiteboard on the top of my study table. You can even hang this board on the wall, both vertically as well as horizontally. Before buying this whiteboard, I actually bought this small board from DMart. Before investing on a big whiteboard, I actually invested on the small whiteboard just to understand my requirement and also to inculcate the habit of making to-do list on daily basis. Eventually, I realized that the surface of the board was becoming rough and also the size of the board is pretty small for my day-to-day planning. So therefore, I invested in a better quality product and also a bigger size board, as I really like to keep my workstation look bright and beautiful. So I have added these fairy lights around. As it is a magnetic whiteboard, therefore you can use it as your pinboard as well. You can even place your duster which comes with the magnet the way I have placed it. You can simply put your sticky notes on the top. You can also use these kind of small magnets to stick any kind of paper. Another thing which I usually do is I place my boat earphones like this, as they have magnet inside, and this way I can also keep my space really organized. Now I would like to give you some care instructions. If your whiteboard catches lot of dust due to dusty surroundings, then always use a soft cloth to remove the dust first and then use a duster to remove the marker's ink. This will help your whiteboard to remain scratch free in long run and also will help you to keep your duster clean. If you are someone who like to be organized on day-to-day basis with all your tasks, or you are a teacher or a homemaker, from my experience I had learned that keeping a whiteboard of any size helps you to be on track. And if you have small kids at your home, then you can use this for their learning. And yeah, what I could say is it is a really useful product. All the links related to this product and this video are there in the description box. If you like this video, then don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to get all the future notifications and updates related to my YouTube channel. And you can follow me on my social media handles. All the links are there in the description box. We'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.